What's up, y'all? It is Mike D here with another installment of Mike D Marketing. Today I've got a product review for you of the Jeecoo V20 gaming headset. I had a friend on Instagram send these to me recently and I've been trying them out. I've been loving these headphones. I just wanted to give a quick intro and a quick thank you for visiting this page. If you got any questions about podcasting, digital marketing, content, copywriting, if you have skills that you're in need of, hit me up. I'm going to leave all my contact information in the description for this video. But without further ado, I'm hoping you enjoy this review of the Jeecoo V20 gaming headset. Talk to you soon. So picking things back up right where we left off, I'm going to open up the Xberia X V20 headphones. I typically don't even have serious headphones when I'm gaming, as rarely as I've been gaming. I have been picking it up a little bit lately because Apex Legends is free and it's a lot of fun on Xbox One. So like I said, I had a Instagram follower send me these because they saw a either a write-up I had done or a video review I had done of some other product, and they're like, hey, it looks like you do this stuff. And I was like, yeah, I totally do this stuff. So dang, these are kind of big compared to I've got a pair of Beats headphones that I use and that I love. Wow, that's a thick cord, kind of. Maybe that's a good thing in the audio world, I don't know. But yeah, I mean, as long as I'm not, walking around with this thing, it's cool. Dude, these things are like cans. Reminds me of, like, I don't know, World War II or whatever ones where they had giant headphones. Look at that. I look like a scout. I look like a scout from Team Fortress 2. Video game reference. I'm trying to figure out if I can wear this on the right side. Nope, they are labeled left headphone and right headphone. So I will stick to how they're labeled. And already I noticed, like, it already cuts off some sounds. I started up Apex, or I went to the next screen. I'm gonna take my hat off so I can fit these on perfectly. Dude, and these fit pretty dang cool. Again, I can barely hear myself talking right now, but adjust it. These are they're really comfortable. There's a lot of wire for it right now. I don't know if you can see this. There's a lot of wire. I could probably plug this in from next door and play. So this is bendy and not, doesn't have to stay in one place. Awesome feature. So I didn't even realize, because the regular, the standard one that comes with it, I don't know if it uses that regular audio jack. It doesn't. So we're not using the regular port for that. We're gonna use the audio jack. Remember these? Remember these before Bluetooth came along? All right, so far nothing. I hear the little audio buzz or beep. I don't hear anything yet. But we're gonna get, I did hear something. That's pretty cool. You're going to get to watch me review this live, just my whole experience from literally pulling it out of the box and putting it on my bald, handsome-ass dome of mine. I've also been debating whether I'm going to swear in this video, and I'm trying not to. One thing I was expecting with these headphones was going to be just kind of the immersive experience. Okay. Alright. I hear the clicking. I'm moving around. I say I want to turn it up. Instinctively, I pick this up and see if there's some type of volume. And is there? There is, but it's all the way up. Alright, so it's not as loud as it could be. My team's gonna be so... Oh, can my team hear me? They can. Great, I've been broadcasting. Hey, squad! I'm just doing a review of some headphones right now. If you guys feel like chatting, feel free to say what up. There's an enemy there, and we're way too close. Or are we just perfectly close enough? Yep. Yeah, that's teamwork. That's teamwork right there. Come on. That's the benefits of sticking with the squad in Apex Legends. That's the benefits of having this headset that I'm probably still driving my teammates crazy. I'll tell you, just off the bat, off my first real video review, it was a lot of fun so far. I guess this is what Twitch people do. Twitchers. Tweakers? Twitchers? So like I said before, like the volume's a little low, and I think I just need to turn my volume up on my TV, and I'll be able to hear it. Oh wow, so I can hear it. It's fine, you can still hear me. So these don't pulled off. Wow. They're really like big and cool, so what I was trying to say with these headphones is it's just a totally immersive experience. So If you had like just the regular ear pods or AirPods I just bought, which also fantastic. They fit in your ear and you can hear music and they're super versatile. But it was not until I bought a pair of studio headphones that I felt like really immersed in the music. But it's like, I feel in it. It's a different experience. I'm not stimulated by the outside world. I'm like totally in this game right now. I was always interested in the Turtle Beach headphones, and I actually tried them out at Target, put them on, and they were very uncomfortable. I was surprised, because like I mean, hey, if Turtle Beach, you want to send me some headphones, I'll review them, but I was surprised at how uncomfortable they were for what I believe is like the most well-known, notable gaming headset. So I thought that was kind of weird. But I believe these retail on Amazon for like either 30 or 35. I will get the specifics on that. What's up, y'all? It's Mike D here again. So this is the part of the video where I tended to go on a few tangents on reading off some of the features of the Jeecoo V20 gaming headset. Here I am again, just to read off the features strictly by themselves. If any of you audiophiles or headphone fanatics know about these, you can make your own judgment on them, but I am here just to read off the features. So the driver diameter is 50 millimeters. Sensitivity is 100 decibels, plus or minus 3 decibels. Impedance is 32 ohm, plus or minus 15%. Frequency range is 20 to 20,000 hertz. Power is 50 megawatts. Mic dimension is 6.0 by 2.7 millimeters. Mic sensitivity is negative 38, plus or minus 3 decibels. Mic impedance is 2.2 ohm, and the headset interface is USB plus 3.5 millimeter auxiliary port. So those are the features on the Jeecoo headset. Now back to me. But yeah, compared to the Turtle Beach, which are more expensive too, so I'm already loving this brand, especially when Instagram followers send me free stuff to review. I'll post a link in my comments or in my bio, whatever I need to get you to try these things out, because I was going to be super honest and like be brutal if these things sucked, and they're not. This sounds fantastic to me. Like I said, I usually use some Beat Studios 2s. You actually have a mic, you can toggle your mic on and off here, which is super dope. Maybe if they had less cable, like I said, if there's one downside to these things so far, and I'm going to keep on using them, I really like them, I'm going to keep trying them out. Jeecoo headphones, the V20s, 5 out of 5, I've got no complaints. These things were great. Long wire. Maybe they could be Bluetooth. I don't know if they do that. I don't need it. Oh! And this came with it. I guess that's the extender. I don't know what those are. Tell you what, I know about how to work my Xbox. I know how to work the controller. I know how to shoot some noobs. Sometimes my squad plays 13 out of 30. That sucked. On to the next game. I'll be using these some more. Until next time, keep it real, keep it funky. Follow my YouTube page and follow my new Instagram account, MikeD_MKG. Mike D Marketing. Look me up on Instagram. I'll have this video posted up there for sure. I have some more content coming soon. I've got an eBay store too. I'm trying to put some more content out there with the eBay business, some product reviews, and trying to put my marketing, copywriting skills out there as well. But anyway, thank you for stopping by. Namaste. Have a beautiful night. Peace. Crab cakes and football, baby. That's what's up.
You are the Apex champion.
Can I get the win kill? That's what's up. New headphones, kill leader, or killing team, crushed it. That's what's up. That's what's up. The Jeecoo V20 headphones. We're gonna stick with this squad. I'm gonna send you guys friend requests. That's how you get it done. That's epic. So, coming in here one last time, I just want to say thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate you checking out my review of the Jeecoo V20 headset. I just want to say thank you for stopping by. Hopefully you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Instagram at Mike D _ MKG. That's Mike D Marketing, spelled Mike D _ MKG. Thank you again for following me. I hope to post more content on this channel, product reviews, digital marketing, insights, copywriting, branding, trying to be a jack of all trades and specialize in a few of them as well. But thank you again for stopping by. I really appreciate it, and namaste.